Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn to make a stand in Please Donate. First, you have to open Roblox. Then in the search panel, type Please Donate. Now go to the first game. After that, click on the play button. After some time, the game will load. After the game has loaded, you have to look for any unclaimed booth that you can find, and then you have to claim it. Press and hold E in order to claim a booth. After you have claimed a booth, press and hold E again to go to the editing tab. In the booths tab, you can change your booth type. In the text menu, you can add any text above your stall. Then you can change all the basic item and layouts from here. And any item you're offering will be up above this tab. This is how you can make a stand in Please Donate. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.